How to fix Pinterest picture not showing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Pinterest picture not showing. So then to fix it, there are a couple of things you could try. The number one step is to check for an update. It could always be due to the outdated version. So head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in Pinterest, and if you could locate update, you want to press that out. If you have update just like mine, click on the update button, and that's going to definitely help you fix your issue. And rather than, apart from it, if the issue still persists on, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. Long press on the Pinterest app, and you want to go ahead and click or go to the app info section. You're come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data, but if you're sure about it, you could do that as well. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you could also check for your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent images from loading. You could try switching to a different network or refreshing your connections as well. In some cases, you could also try using a different device if possible, or maybe using a different browser if you can. And in other cases, it could be due to the service issue as well. So you could just wait patiently until it is fixed. So these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.